Hello everyone, my name is Maria Cristina Capurro. I'm a PhD student from Colorado State University, working at the Soil and Crop Department with Dr. Andales and Dr. Ham, and in particular in this project also with Dr. Klundberg. Our goal was to make a novel Internet of Things sap flow system to assess plant water consumption, and the particular objective for this year was to test for a second season the performance of our new gauge design. Today we would like to show our sap flow sensors. Here there's a view of them. So in the main body we have 3 sensors, a heater in the middle, and then 2 temperature sensors downstream and upstream of the plant. And we measure, we send a heat pulse during 3 seconds, and then we measure the temperature very frequently during 3 minutes. And with that information, we calculate sap velocity with a calibration coefficient. We convert that into flow rate, and then we can scale it up to know the corn field transpiration. So here there's a view of our spacer to accommodate the sensor for different stem sizes and shapes. Our sensors are able to measure water flowing through the stem indirectly using the heat pulse technique. We also use a microcontroller. Here there's a view of our microcontroller with the different components. We are using a microprocessor with a cellular modem. And in particular, we're using the particle boron this year, and we are using the Internet of Things. So each of our sensors is connected to the cloud and is sending data continuously every 15 minutes. And for that, we're using Ubidots as our IoT provider. We call this a system, and we can plug in 4 sap flow sensors. The system also uses a 12-volt battery. We can use any size of 12-volt battery and a solar panel. These are easy to build and very easy to install. So let me show you how we do that in the field. So what we do first is we measure the stem diameter both ways. Then we prime the holes for the sensors in the plant stem using the spacer. We can use a micro drill, or we can simply use hypodermic needle. We don't need special equipment for this. Then we insert the gauge, and then we plug in the cables to the microcontroller. Once we have it plugged in, we are able to see plant water flow through the plant stem, and we are able to see the plant transpiration continuously every 15 minutes from our phones or from any device, and we are also able to store it.